Conclusion: 33 Days of Mastering Self-Discipline is not just a guide, it's a transformative journey toward becoming a person of purpose, consistency, and growth. Each section has provided practical wisdom, offering tools to improve your speed, quality, quantity, control, order, time, and consistency. Together, these disciplines create a well-rounded foundation for lasting success. Mastering speed taught you the value of patience. The lessons on quality reminded you that excellence is built through intention, focus, and care. Developing a mindset of quantity emphasized the importance of collaboration, learning, and expanding your efforts. The section on control encouraged you to take ownership of your actions, space, and well-being. Order guided you in structuring your life with preparation, organization, and thoughtful management. The principles of time reinforced the impact of promptness, early preparation, and consistent habits. Lastly, Occurrence underscored the power of consistency, ensuring your efforts become second nature. True self-discipline isn't about perfection, it's about progress. Each day presents new challenges, but by applying these principles, you'll find yourself better equipped to stay focused, motivated, and adaptable. Growth is a lifelong process, and every step you take toward mastering these disciplines strengthens your ability to lead a purposeful and fulfilling life.